so the part is giving issues is this. I was doing a couple research on YouTube. There is not many guys showing what the problem could be. There is a couple videos, and then well, you disconnect this hose from the nipple in here, pull it out, then you disconnect this one, and then this one. You have to be really careful because this is plastic, so it can break. You gotta be really careful. So the part number is right here. This truck only has 30,000 miles, and it was making the nasty, annoying noise. But what I did yesterday was I unplugged it, air came out, everything was working fine. So I unplugged that one from the tube and I started blowing air on it, and then I placed everything back together. Then I went back in the car, I turned the car on, and I placed it on neutral. And after I placed it on neutral, I placed this one. I came to 4 high, and then I changed it to 4 low, and then 4 high, and I put it back on 2-wheel drive, and I placed it on park, and then I took it for a drive. Couple videos on YouTube. There's some guys that say if you do that, you can fix it. So knowing that it wasn't making that noise anymore, I drove this morning to a dealership. I went to check some cameras on my hunting spot, and then after that I came back home. I did not hear any sound at all, but I still went to the dealership and buy that part in case in the near future it start making that noise. And I got it right here. This is the part number. And here is the new part. So far so good. The problem is fixed for now, so we'll see how it goes. But now I got the part. Thanks for watching.